everybody, good Monday evening and welcome back to Weather for Weather Geeks. Hope you and yours had a good final weekend of August. The weather certainly was plenty steamy once again over the weekend. Today was a little bit different though. While it was still warmer than the average, it was actually our coolest day in about 11 days today, with the high officially at the Youngstown Warren Airport 83 this afternoon. That's 4 degrees warmer than average, but different than the very consistently hot weather we've had ever since Friday the 20th. We've been in the middle and upper 80s every single day since the 20th, running through yesterday. We didn't get 90, but we came awfully close a few times. Lots of 88s and 89s in recent times in our area. Also, it was a little bit cloudier today at times. We had some showers and some thunder that moved through last night. This time lapse from Niles shows the kind of variable sky that we had today. At times a little bit brighter, at times pretty cloudy, and eventually these clouds have tried to once again produce a scattering of showers across parts of our area. I'm recording this video at 6:55. We have a couple of clusters of showers in Trumbull and Mercer counties as of 5 till 7. One moving through Warren, another moving through the Sharon area. Again, as of this recording, no lightning and thunder with this. All right, of course, over the weekend, the big national weather story was the landfall of Hurricane Ida in Louisiana. Devastation, as expected down there, as it made landfall as a Category 4 hurricane. Now it's weakened, of course, as it's moved over land. The center of circulation now over Mississippi, and this is now a tropical depression. Big rain producer for parts of the Tennessee Valley and down into the Gulf Coast region still this evening. Now, the center of Ida, the track of it, will be important for our forecast for the next couple of days. It looks like the most likely scenario has the center of circulation moving through West Virginia, panhandle of Maryland, southeastern PA, as we go into Tuesday, Wednesday, and into Wednesday night and Thursday morning. That would put it close enough to us to give us at least a little bit of rain, but far enough away that we're not going to get on the real heavy rain and the flood concerns and things like that. Boy, if this were a winter storm, we'd be gnashing teeth, because this would be a very close shave for significant accumulations or not in our area with this type of a storm track. If it were January and we'd be talking about this, boy, that would be a real nail-biter as far as the forecast goes. But, of course, it is summertime, and we're dealing with the rain, and is nearby as the Pittsburgh area flash flood watches are out. Southeast Ohio's included this, a lot of the panhandle of West Virginia as well. Also some flood watches extending into eastern PA and New Jersey, up into New York City, up into southern New England. And this is actually the zone that will probably get hit the hardest with the rain from Ida. But southeast Ohio, Morgantown, West Virginia, some areas just south and east of Pittsburgh, over towards Johnstown, PA. Some places might get 5-6 inches worth of rain out of this. And once you're over towards Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, and Lancaster, and Allentown, and Reading, and over towards the Pocono Mountains in northeastern PA, boy, some places are going to have potentially huge issues with flooding out of this. Maybe some double-digit rainfall totals in a lot of that zone. Notice the tight gradient, though, between all this rain and basically nothing in parts of our area from the remnants of Ida. Let's look at some computer models, and here's for the Warren to Youngstown corridor. You'll notice basically a lot of our models have almost nothing on the latest runs. The GFS ensemble, that's the blue line, has 1/3 of an inch to a 1/2 inch, but some of the other modeling is giving kind of the heart of our viewing area, Warren to Youngstown, approximately, kind of a big goose egg. Once you're down towards East Liverpool, though, models are showing more than 0. It seems pretty likely that there will be some rain in East Liverpool and Calcutta, and maybe up towards East Palestine and Elwood City and Newcastle and over towards Grove City, PA. Areas south and east of Youngstown have a higher chance of not only seeing a little bit of rain, but maybe a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch worth of rain. No current models are showing more than an inch once you're down towards East Liverpool, but once you're south of East Liverpool and across the river and down into Jefferson County and Hancock County, and especially once you're closer to Pittsburgh, yeah, there's going to be quite a bit more rain. In the near term, though, maybe a little fog trying to set up overnight. I don't think that's super widespread, but it's going to be possible that there's some patches of fog, especially in the river valleys, as Tuesday gets underway. Now, this is a front that's very slowly oozing through the region this evening. This front is not going to get much farther south, and it's going to kind of fall apart during the day tomorrow. With this weak, diffuse boundary somewhere nearby, there's going to be a passing shower or storm somewhere in our area tomorrow afternoon, early tomorrow evening. So keep that in mind if you have after school and after work plans. Kind of like today, a lot of us stay dry. Some of us might see a shower or a storm. Then, as we go towards Wednesday morning, again, center of circulation moving up like this, close enough that we probably do get a little light rain in some parts of our area, especially south and east of Youngstown Wednesday morning. It looks like any rain that is out there is probably tapering off pretty quickly as we get into the afternoon, and the clouds should start to thin. This should set the stage for a pretty nice opening evening of the Canfield Fair Wednesday evening. The humidity is going to start coming down. It should be a nice sunset with those departing high clouds Wednesday evening. It should be a very pleasant evening Wednesday. And wow, does it look nice outside. I can't emphasize enough how nice it's going to feel outside. Thursday night, into Friday, into Saturday. Yeah, it's been a pretty, I would say very muggy August. Overall, a very humid summer. And these dew points are going to be just delicious later this week. And, dew points in the 40s, hey, we will take it. And that means overnight temperatures, especially Thursday night, are going to really bottom out nicely. I mean, it's going to be in the upper 40s in some places late Thursday night and into early Friday morning. So, weather impacts this year at the Canfield Fair. Minimal overall. This rain chance on Wednesday, again, primarily morning and midday. By the evening, it should be pretty nice outside. Gorgeous Thursday, gorgeous Friday, very nice into Saturday. Our current forecast has a chance of a couple of showers in Sunday, in the Sunday forecast, and into Labor Day on Monday as well. But at this point, it does not look like much rain. We're going to have much more on the Canfield Fair, including some weather history and future editions of Weather for Weather Geeks. Tomorrow evening, we'll do a review of meteorological summer and a preview of meteorological fall, the months of September, October, November. That gets underway on September 1st, of course, on Wednesday. So you can look forward to that on Tuesday evening's edition of the Valley's most in-depth weather forecast.